Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Top round steak often gets a bad rap for being tough, but it absolutely doesn't have to be. With the right approach, you can transform this lean and affordable cut into a wonderfully tender and truly flavorful meal. We're going to unlock the simple secrets to cooking top round, ensuring every bite is juicy and delicious. Get ready to impress your taste buds with these easy, effective techniques, making this your new go-to recipe. Maximizing the flavor of your top round steak starts with proper preparation. First, always pat your steak completely dry with paper towels. This crucial step ensures a beautiful, even sear later. Then, season it generously on both sides with salt, pepper, and any other desired spices. Don't be shy with the seasoning, as it truly builds the foundational taste for your delicious meal. A beautiful, flavorful crust is essential for top round, and that comes from high-heat searing. Get a heavy-bottomed skillet, like cast iron, screaming hot over medium-high heat. Add just a tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado, then carefully place your steak in the pan. Sear each side for a quick 2 to 3 minutes, developing that irresistible golden brown crust. To ensure your top round steak is wonderfully tender, finish it either in the oven or by braising. If oven roasting, immediately transfer your seared steak to a preheated oven set at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook until it reaches your desired internal temperature, typically 10 to 15 minutes for a perfect medium rare. A meat thermometer is your best friend here, ensuring consistent, delicious results every time you cook. Once cooked, resting your steak is arguably the most critical step for maximum juiciness. Transfer your steak to a cutting board and let it rest for a full 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the internal juices to redistribute. Finally, when slicing, always go thinly and against the grain. This technique shortens the muscle fibers, ensuring every bite of your top round steak is incredibly tender and easy to chew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.